Hi everyone. Now let's discuss Topic 2 of Unit 5. IT Act 2000, Structure and Key Sections. The Information Technology. IT. Act 2000 is India's primary law dealing with cybercrime and electronic commerce. It provides legal recognition to electronic records, digital signatures, and online transactions, while also defining penalties and punishments for cybercrimes. In simple words, the IT Act 2000 is like India's digital law book. It makes online activities legal, protects against cybercrimes, and ensures trust in e-business and e-governance. 2 mark questions. What is the IT Act 2000? Mention 2. Objectives of the IT Act 2000. What is the role of digital signatures in IT Act 2000? Name 1 key section related to hacking. What is the purpose of the Cyber Appellate Tribunal? 5 10-mark questions. Explain the objectives and significance of IT Act 2000 in India. Describe the structure of the IT Act 2000 with chapters. Discuss key sections of IT Act 2000 related to cybercrime. Explain the role of certifying authorities and the controller under the IT Act. Illustrate with an example how IT Act 2000 ensures legal recognition of electronic transactions. Introduction to the IT Act 2000. The Information Technology, IT Act 2000, is the primary legislation in India that governs all activities related to the digital world. It provides a legal framework for electronic governance, digital transactions, and the prevention of cybercrimes. Before this act, electronic records, online contracts, and digital signatures had no legal validity in India, which made e-commerce and e-governance difficult. The IT Act was therefore enacted to legalize electronic records and signatures, regulate online activities, and penalize offenses involving computer systems and networks. Over time, as new cyber threats emerged, the Act was amended to make it more effective. The IT Amendment Act 2008 introduced stronger provisions to deal with modern challenges such as cyber terrorism, identity theft, data privacy violations, and child pornography. These updates ensured that the law kept pace with rapid advancements in digital technology and the growing misuse of cyberspace. A simple example can help illustrate its importance. Under the IT Act, companies in India can legally enforce electronic contracts signed through digital signatures, making e-commerce transactions safe and valid. At the same time, if an offender hacks into financial systems or banking networks, the Act provides for imprisonment and heavy fines as punishment. This dual role of enabling digital business and preventing cybercrime makes the IT Act 2000 a cornerstone of India's cyber law framework. Key concepts of the IT Act 2000. The Information Technology IT Act 2000 was enacted with several important objectives. Its primary aim is to facilitate electronic transactions and e-governance, enabling businesses and government departments to operate efficiently in the digital environment. It provides legal recognition to digital records and digital signatures, ensuring that online contracts and communications are considered valid under Indian law. Another key objective is to define cybercrimes and prescribe penalties, covering offenses like hacking, identity theft, cyber terrorism, and publishing obscene material online. Additionally, the Act aims to promote the secure and responsible use of information technology by individuals, organizations, and governments. The IT Act is organized into 10 chapters, each focusing on different aspects of cyber regulation. Chapter 1. Preliminary defines key terms and explains the scope of the Act, clarifying its applicability to electronic communication, digital records, and cyber offenses. Chapter 2. Digital signatures provides legal recognition to digital signatures for authentication and regulates certifying authorities authorized to issue digital certificates. Chapter 3. Electronic governance facilitates electronic filing, transactions, and record maintenance for both government and private sectors. Chapter 4. Attribution, acknowledgement, and dispatch establishes the legal validity of electronic records and ensures that online communications are recognized in law. Chapter 5. Cyber offenses and penalties specifies the various cybercrimes, including hacking, identity theft, cyber terrorism, and publishing obscene material. and defines penalties and compensation for victims. Chapter 6, Liability of Network Service Providers, outlines conditions under which service providers can be exempt from liability for user actions. Chapter 7, Authentications and Certifying Authorities, establishes the Controller of Certifying Authorities, CCA, to regulate digital signature certifying authorities. Chapter 8, The adjudication process designates adjudicating officers to resolve cyber disputes and prescribe penalties. Chapter 9, Cyber Appellate Tribunal, provides a mechanism for appeals against orders of adjudicating officers. Finally, Chapter 10, Miscellaneous Provisions, includes general provisions, government powers, and amendments to keep the law up to date with evolving technology. Key sections of the IT Act, 2000. The IT Act, 2000 contains several important sections that deal with cybercrimes, digital transactions, and data protection. Section 43 provides penalties for unauthorized access, damage to computer systems, and data theft, making it clear that tampering with digital information is a punishable offense. Section 66, amended in 2008, specifically deals with hacking and related offenses, imposing strict penalties on offenders. Section 66C addresses identity theft or fraudulent use of electronic signatures, while Section 66D covers cheating by personation using computer resources, such as pretending to be someone else online to deceive others. Section 66E focuses on violation of privacy, such as capturing or sharing images of a person without consent. Section 67 deals with publishing or transmitting obscene material in electronic form, protecting users, especially minors, from harmful content. Section 69 empowers the government to intercept, monitor, or decrypt electronic information in the interest of public safety or national security. Lastly, Section 72 addresses the breach of confidentiality and privacy, penalizing individuals who disclose personal or sensitive information without authorization. These sections collectively ensure that cyber activities in India are conducted safely, responsibly, and legally, providing clear guidelines for individuals, businesses, and government authorities to prevent cybercrimes and protect digital data. Importance of the IT Act, 2000. The IT Act, 2000 plays a crucial role in India's digital ecosystem by providing legal recognition to electronic transactions, ensuring that online contracts and communications are valid under the law. This legal framework protects both individuals and organizations from cyber threats by penalizing cybercrimes, such as hacking, identity theft, and data breaches. The Act also establishes regulatory authorities, including the Controller of Certifying Authorities, CCA, for managing digital signatures, and the Cyber Appellate Tribunal to hear appeals in cyber dispute cases. By doing so, it promotes the safe, ethical, and responsible use of digital technology, encouraging businesses and citizens to confidently adopt online services. For example, a company using digital signatures for contracts is legally protected under the IT Act, while a hacker attempting to access sensitive company data can be prosecuted under Sections 43 and 66. Real-world applications of the IT Act include hacking offenses, where Section 66 penalizes unauthorized access to banking or government systems, and digital signatures, where electronically signed contracts are legally valid under Chapter II. Section 67 addresses obscene material, penalizing the online sharing of pornographic content, while Section 66C deals with identity theft, punishing fraudulent use of another person's identity online. In short, the IT Act, 2000 ensures that the digital environment in India is secure, reliable, and legally regulated, providing protection for users, businesses, and government systems. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe.